Hello, no. How is this fair? I got up early. I switched on the geyser. I made coffee. I even woke you up. You remember?
I know. But I have a weekly meeting at 9 o'clock. And Manoj sir will kill me if I'm late. And you can go at 1.
नहीं. मुझे भी जाना है time पे. ये क्या है? You need to be more disciplined, Kavya.
Okay, Daddy. Next time.
I really wish I was. If you were my daughter,
if I were your daughter.
Yes. If you.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird for you to say that, considering the things we were doing at 3 a.m. last night because of which we woke up.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. I know where you're going. Okay. It sounded fine in my head, but when I said it, why am I explaining myself? Like seriously, I'm getting late, right? Oh, fun fact. Daddy is the most searched keyword on Pornhub. India का पता कौन सा है? जल्दी. Guess.
I don't know. Boo.
Bhabhi.
What?
Bhabhi is the most searched keyword.
Yeah, okay, thanks for telling me that. Now come out fast, I need to go. And will you eat scrambled eggs?
यार तू French toast बना दे please.
No, they take a lot of time and I need to iron my clothes.
अरे iron your clothes ना बना देना यार 2 मिनट extra लगेंगे. Monday morning I need some boost Kavya Gulkar.
Yeah, fine. How that?
Come on.
Stop singing that song.
It's stuck in my head also, dude. I need to get it out. These are really nice, dude.
What is this, Dhruv?
What happened?
This, can't you see? Are you blind?
ये कैसे हुआ यार?
You should have checked the iron before using it, na? Now I have to wear this crumpled shirt and go. And how many times have I told you not to leave all these here?
कबू कुछ और पहन ले यार.
I don't have anything else to wear. Nothing else is ironed. And I'm running super late anyway. So selfish, Dhruv. Just finish your stupid toast. Have a nice day. I
think that's a good idea. Kavya, you're late again. Have a seat. So like I was saying, let's have the clients to sign off the order size first. Otherwise, we'll start processing and they'll have some last minute changes. You know how the clients are. Huh? Sana, I think you can make a note of it.
अरे कितनी बार भेजूं यार आइडेंटिफिकेशन? 3 बार भेज चुका हूं. अरे नहीं यार, परमानेंट एड्रेस दिल्ली का है. बता चुका हूं आपको पहले भी यार. देखो यार, आप ये जल्दी सॉर्ट आउट करो. एक पासपोर्ट रिन्यू करवाने में इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
मतलब क्या हुआ? इतना सड़ा हुआ मुंह क्यों बना के आया है? ऊबर पे सर्च थी क्या?
मत शुरू कर यार अभी.
फाइन. वैसे भी मेरी रैम नहीं चल रही. ओके, आई एम वेरी बिजी.
It's just been a shitty morning. सुबह काव्या से एक स्टूपिड चीज पे लड़ाई हो गई और अब ये पासपोर्ट का रिन्यू का पंगा.
यार ये लड़कियों को होता है कुछ नहीं. सलोनी इज ऑल्सो वेरी वियर्ड इन द मॉर्निंग.
तो कब अपने 1 नाइट स्टैंड को मेरे 2 साल पुराने रिलेशनशिप से कंपेयर करना छोड़ेगा यार?
यू नो आई हैव समथिंग फॉर यू. कहाँ है? हाँ, ये तेरे है ना?
फनी डूड, वेरी मैच्योर. सुन. अरे आकाश सुन यार.
क्या?
स्टॉकहोम से कोई ईमेल आया क्या?
नहीं. तुझे?
नहीं यार.
Kavya, did you find out why the Eternity Mall guys haven't replied to us on the pricing?
I'm just following up on that, sir. Why can't I find this stupid email, man? I swear I sent it.
When did you send it?
Sometime last week. I CC'd you on it now.
Kavya, Why are you wearing just one earring? Did you drop the other one somewhere?
Shit. I can't lose these. These are the ones that Dhruv gifted me on my birthday.
Oh, these are the velvet case ones.
Yeah.
ये स्टॉकहोम का ईमेल आया।
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Yes! White chicks, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? What's up?
मेरा नहीं हुआ यार।
Yeah, right. बकवास मत कर। I direct to inform you that your paper, the injectivity of isometric numbers, has not been accepted for presentation at 27 Nordic Congress.
बस कर डूड। मेरा पेपर ही नहीं एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है यार।
Dude, I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लेंगे। I mean,
डूड पेपर नहीं पास हो रहा, डिग्री कहाँ से मिलेगी?
That doesn't matter. How could you send them our internal costing? You were supposed to send them the quotes. No wonder they haven't replied. They'll come back with some shitty pricing now that they know our costs.
I know, sir. I must have forwarded them the wrong attachment.
This is some seriously shoddy work, Kavya. Seriously. And this is the second time in this month that such a thing has happened. It's such a huge order for the company. Why couldn't you be more careful? What's happened to you?
I'm sorry, sir.
I mean, Dhruv, कितने options पड़े हैं यार? Illinois है, Ohio है, Toronto है. There are so many other
अरे
options.
वो सारे मुश्किल वाले हैं यार। ये तो आसान बैकअप था यार।
Let me get you something.
अरे आकाश अभी मजाक मत।
Wait.
अरे प्लीज मत कर यार, सीरियसली मूड नहीं है।
Ta-da!
What the fuck?
Exactly. Look at this beauty. ये राव सर की स्पेशल स्टैश है। मैं रिफिल करता रहता उसको कोक और पानी के साथ। चल थोड़ी शराब पीते हैं, तेरा मूड ठीक करते हैं। लेट्स हैव बिरयानी। खाएगा?
या
कीमा और अफगानी बता।
कोई भी, तेरी ट्रीट है।
चल मेरी ट्रीट है। लेट मी जस्ट चेक। हाँ, लिटिल ऐप पे 30% ऑफ ऑन कीमा। सो कीमा इट इज।
वेट वहां जाकर तो नहीं खाना ना। आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन दीज एप्लीकेशंस।
No, it's not a dine-in offer, it's a delivery.
सुन, 3 कर दे यार।
3 बिरयानी?
या 3 कर दे।
Sure.
हाँ।
Okay.
I know I don't deserve a gold medal in ironing, but I have a decent track record in gluttony, sending you some of me, packed in a box.
ज्यादा खा लिया नहीं?
सारा पी भी लिया भाई।
कुछ सही है। विस्की, बिरयानी, कबाब, परफेक्ट आप।
I know, बस जगजीत सिंह की कमी थी, हैं?
और बेब्स।
Once upon a time, there was a boy called Dhruv who was very nervous because he was racing the fastest boy in town. The winner of the race would win 100 Twix bars, 50 shawarmas, 40 French toasts and 50 momos. Given that these were all of his favorite things, Dhruv was in no mood to lose. But how do you defeat the fastest boy in town? The race started and at the halfway mark, Dhruv started to feel very tired. He couldn't run any longer. But then Dhruv suddenly heard somebody cheering his name loudly from the sidelines. Dhruv! 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 Amidst the huge crowd, his eyes locked in on his best friend, the biryani monster, who with all her might was cheering for him. Something then happened to Dhruv and he started to believe in himself and he ran and ran like he'd never run before. Before he knew it, he had defeated the fastest boy in town and was celebrating his victory with his best friend, the biryani monster. As the two of them hugged, his best friend whispered into his ear, "You will never walk alone." What the hell are you doing?
What the fuck? You scared me, Saleh biryani monster. Come here.
You're wearing my jewelry?
पप्पी दा है bro.
Shit, is that my earring?
हाँ तू यही भूल गई थी सुबह.
I thought I lost it.
कितना बात कर रही है? Dance no. And this is how you get a song out of your head. शर्ट तो बड़ी सही लग रही है तेरी. I'm sorry, dude. But how did this happen?
Don't laugh now, Momo. You have no
Is
idea.
that funny, dude?
You have no idea how boring it gets at work. And anyway, I was distracted. I had told myself I'll not be on Facebook more than 15 minutes, and then I saw this really cool. Shut up! I saw this really cool article that spoke about 10 places to visit under $5,000 bucks.
What?
And then I started reading the article and planning a holiday, and then I got distracted. And then my concentration said, "Bye bye, Kavya. I'll see you later."
But you can't be on Facebook when you're working. It's as simple as that. Wait.
Thanks.
Actually, even I'm always on Facebook. Arey, you know what? Download this app called Self Control. Akash bhi wahi use karta hai. You just have to feed in your work hours and then just blocks Facebook. Even if you delete the app, you still can't access it, dude. Jugaad.
That'll make my day 1,000,000 times more boring.
But then you won't screw up like this, no?
That's true. Thanks, Daddy.
You know, that thing really turns me on, dude. It really,
Shut up.
really turns me
Shut up.
on. Yes.
You know what I did after lunch today? I gifted my boss 50 Shades of Grey as an anonymous person.
What? Are you mad or what? Like, seriously?
As you know, madness is like gravity. All you need is a little push.
Batman.
What Batman? Say Dark Knight, no?
Arey, हाँ वही. By the way, your boss can figure out it's you. You know, he just has to like register one complaint. उसे पता चल जाएगा. फंस गई तू काव्या कुलकर्णी गंदी तरीके से.
Are you serious?
Yes.
अरे do something ना. अपने PhD का कुछ उपयोग करो.
आदेश को रद्द कर दे.
What?
Just cancel the order.
Oh yeah, ये तो आसान था यार. Shit. मैं एक क्षण के लिए बहुत डर गई थी. लेकिन तुम फिक्र मत करो. अपने मैथ
गणित.
हाँ, अपने गणित प्रोग्राम में जुगाड़ लगाते रहो.
कार्टून जुगाड़ नहीं.
जुगाड़ ही होता है.
जुगाड़ नहीं है. There's a word for it. Wait, I'll tell you. What is it?
What is it? Say?
I don't know. Dinner क्या करना है?
I'm not that hungry.
No, don't say that, man.
अरे I'll just eat the French toast and eat it.
वो तो गए थे.
इधर. Dhruv.
They're damn tasty. I was really hungry, so I was like, fuck it, खा लेता हूँ.
What do I eat now?
Oh, do you want pasta?
Are you making it?
Yeah, I'll make it.
Do you want?
Okay, cool, fine. I'll come and chop the vegetables.
Thanks.
Actually, no. I'm not going to do that.
Thought so.
You go, you do everything, and I'll just talk to you and distract you.
Of course, sloth bear.
Sorted.
It's not for us to say what will be, and at the end of the day, we'll see which way the whole thing bends and what it could bring. 'Cause nothing really matters except the little things. Some say it works like this, maybe it's true, but the truth can lie sometimes. That's fate for you. Let the preachers talk and we could sing the song for survival.